Hi and welcome to Saturday Crumb Check. My name is Jess, and on Saturdays I do a super quick review. Well, most Saturdays, not every Saturday. Most Saturdays. I do a really quick review of something that I just use a lot in my kitchen and I think is worth the money. So today we're actually doing the OXO or OXO Kitchen Scale. This is a workhorse in my kitchen. I use this every day. I prefer to cook in measurements like grams so that it's exact, but I just love this. And this particular one, although expensive, it's regular $65 on Amazon, on sale right now for $45. This is the one that won America's Test Kitchen, and I absolutely understand why. So first off, it holds 11 pounds. It's stainless steel for easy cleaning. This is one of my favorite features. Like if you have a big bowl, you can actually pull the display out so that there's no shadow or anything like that, and you can just see it easily. It's very user-friendly. Oh, mine's dirty. I told you, I use this every day. The display is nice and big. It does grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces. Mine is stainless steel. It does come in black also. It is battery operated. You literally just put 4 AAA batteries in it. And it's just, like I said, incredibly easy. This part right here does come off so that you can clean this, but I honestly, I've never taken it off, to be completely honest. I know that you can, but I just wipe it off. Obviously not enough. But like I said, one of my most used items in the kitchen, and something that honestly, if it broke for whatever reason, it would be replaced that day. This is a wonderful scale. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.